Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Tech AI. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to solve common PhotoDirector problems with the FAQs. Now let us begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do it right now. In case you have not, well, worry not. We have created a tutorial regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to go to the FAQs. At the top left, you will see a button like this. Simply click on it right now. Once you click on it, these things will open up. As you can see, there are lots of options. Right now, what you have to do is simply scroll down. And right here, you can see something called as FAQ. It is just below About. Click on it right now. And guys, this is it. From here, you can look at all the FAQs available, like these right here. Simply click on each of these questions right here, and then the solution will be provided. In case you want to send the feedback, here is a button right here at the bottom of the screen. Simply click on it, and from here simply enter your email address along with your issue. Do note that you can also add a screenshot. That is it guys, that's the gist of it. That's how we go to FAQs in PhotoDirector. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.